Hey everybody, this is Ralph. Car will not start, crank or anything. I turned the key, I got the thing took off, so whack, and what I did was I hooked up a thing, a push button. And it does work, well, the car doesn't run, but, everything turns off and on, just like as if you did the key, like this, with the key. It doesn't do anything, won't start or anything. And I had the battery, alternator, and starter all tested, and nothing happened. They were all good. So I don't understand why it will not turn over. And I went underneath and touched the two wires. I made sure all the wires were connected and everything. And I tightened this up so that way I'd get a good thing on it. And I did all kinds of testing here. I tested these and I put a good one on it, which was the air blower thing right here. The blower, I think is this one or this one. I think it's this one. But there's this starter relay, and I did that, and I jumped it from here to here and everything else. Nothing happened. And then I also went underneath, and I still got it jacked up. But I went to the starter, did the two points together on the solenoid. Didn't even crank then, but it got spark to it. So I don't understand why it's doing it. And somebody said something about a ground wire from the computer to a ground, computer box or something like that, to a ground, and then he hooked it from the computer thing to here to the positive, and it ran. That's what he said anyway. But I tested, checked all the things, and I actually did the test here too, from here to here, and that didn't do anything. I done did everything, and I didn't get a chance to check this one. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look that one up for the thing. I don't know if that could be it or not. I don't know. But couldn't tell you what it would be. Kind of upset about it because I can't get the damn thing running. So I got a spider right there I need to kill. Nasty looking spider. Got it. It looked kind of deadly. That's fucked up. Can't use that no more. I might as well throw it away. I'm gonna have to get some more of that. Took a picture of it, I think. It's no good. Can't use it. But you can see I still got the car jacked up, and it's pretty solid. It ain't moving. So that might have been a brown earth loose. I don't know. I didn't take a picture, but it looked like one. Those things are deadly too. They can kill you. But I took everything off separate, and I just don't understand why it's doing it. I really wish I knew. So if anybody's got any suggestions, like I said, I tested the battery, tested the alternator, tested the starter, and they all work. I got proof on it. I took pictures, and I got the thing for the battery or the alternator, the paper, saying it was good. And then I got one. I took pictures of the starter and the battery on the thing. No, I got one for the battery, I think it was. And then the other ones, whatever. But it's still not doing anything, and I have no idea why. It's just not cranking. So if anybody knows You know, just let me know. You know, I went down here, and when I turn it, you know, there's a fuse that clicks, and I found out it's a, what is it? Where's the fuse thing? It was this one right here clicking, the big one, 48, which is delay accessory relay. So which means when I turn it on, you know, it does what it's supposed to. Yeah. Keys in my pocket, of course. Well, I thought it was in my pocket. Oh, other pocket. Now listen. Back up in there. If I can put the key in. Now listen. That's all it does. Yeah, it won't turn on or anything. But like I said, if you know anything, just let me know. This is Ralph. Later.